आसपास ही हैं। ठीक है, तो क्लास हमने रिकॉर्ड शुरू कर दिया है ना, आपकी परमिशन से हम ये क्लास रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहे हैं और इसे यूट्यूब पर भी शेयर करेंगे। सो द क्लास इज एक्चुअली ऑल अबाउट एजुकेशन, सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट योर इंग्लिश। सो सबसे पहले हम ना आपसे ही शुरुआत करते हैं। सो यू आर छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका, एक्चुअली यू स्पीक वेरी वेल। सो बाय द वे व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले अ गेम विद यू। सो द गेम इज वेरी सिंपल कि आपको मुझसे इंग्लिश में बात करनी है। नाउ आमना विल से सर दिस इज अ वेरी इजी गेम, आई एम एबल टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश, व्हाट्स न्यू इन इट। सो आमना डिफिकल्टी ये है कि आपको मुझसे बात तो करनी है, बट आपको एक बार भी यस या नो वर्ड का यूज नहीं करना है। ठीक है, मैं आपको 3 चांस दूंगा, 3 बार के बाद यू विल बी आउट ऑफ द गेम। आपको बात का जवाब भी देना है और आपको यस और नो भी नहीं बोलना है। लेकिन इसके अलावा यस और नो के कुछ भाई बंधु भी हैं, जैसे या, ना, नहीं, हाँ, ये सब एक ही कैटेगरी के हैं। तो आप इन सबको इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे। यू हैव 3 चांसेस। आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम, and not rules but only one rule, that you
Yes.
don't have to use yes or no. So let's get started now. Hi Amna. So game शुरू हो चुका है, 3 chances. Hi Amna, welcome to the class. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling really good right now because like I'm able to communicate with a really big YouTuber, so
Oh
that's
my,
really exciting
actually,
for me.
thanks a lot. Your words actually mean a lot to me. By the way, Amna, do you live in Delhi?
No, I don't live in Delhi.
No. एक चांस चला गया और थोड़ा जल्दी जवाब देना है. You don't live in Delhi, by the way. Where do you live?
I live in India. I live in Maharashtra, Mumbai, Kalyan.
Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Am I right?
Yes.
2 चांस. ओके ओके, कोई नहीं, लास्ट चांस है. बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल. ओके, महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, एम आई राइट? आप बोल सकती हैं
I
बदले
don't.
में. आप बोल हाँ, आई डोंट नो इज द करेक्ट आंसर. या आप बोल सकती हैं यू आर राइट सर, बट यस और नो को अवॉइड करना. यू हैव ओनली 1 चांस लेफ्ट. ओके, बाय द वे, हैव यू एवर गॉन टू एनी सेलिब्रिटीज हाउस लाइक मन्नत और द अमिताभ बच्चन्स बंगलो?
Never.
Never. Okay. By the way, never is also a brother of no. लेकिन एक chance मैं आपको extra देता हूँ. You never have gone there. Okay. Which is the most beautiful place in Mumbai?
Kerala.
In Mumbai. In Mumbai. My favorite is Aksa Beach. And which is your favorite?
Juhu Beach.
Juhu Beach. Ah. Okay. Do you like cartoon characters?
Maybe.
Okay. Which is your favorite cartoon?
Doraemon.
Doraemon. Novita Doraemon. Am I right?
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. अरे बहुत चालाक हो गए हैं अब आप. Now you are able to understand the game. By the way, okay. But Nobita is my favorite character. What is the girl name in Nobita Doraemon cartoon? I forgot the name. The girl's name.
Shizuka.
Shizuka. You don't have to nod your head. You have to answer.
Maybe.
Okay. Shizuka is very nice girl. Actually, she is very good in study, but Nobita is not good in studies. Do you like Bollywood movies?
Never. I never liked them.
Okay. Do you love to play the video games?
Of course.
Very nice. So, how do you play video games? On mobile or on TV?
On my tab.
On your tablet? Okay, Amna, very nice. You won the game. Actually, आपने बहुत control किया खुद को. Finally, you won it, and 2 chances खोने के बाद you have only one. You had only one, but you won it. By the way, that's fantastic. Please give a big hand to Amna. She is fantastic. Very nice. Okay, Sarojji, now the same game is for you. So, are you ready for it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I don't need to tell you the rules of the game. I hope that you understand all. So by the way, let me
I know very well.
Thank you so much. Sarojji, my name is Sartaj.
My name is Saroj.
Okay, do you know me?
I know very well you. Yes.
Yes. Okay, you said yes. Okay, okay. You have only two chances. Okay, thanks a lot. You know me a lot. By the way, Sarojji, what I was thinking actually, do you like summer or do you like winter? Which is your favorite season?
I like winter.
Winters.
Yeah.
You said yeah. Okay.
या यस
Don't
नहीं
worry.
बोल के या बोला
Yeah, okay, कोई नहीं, but ये भी नहीं बोलना है. Okay,
Okay.
winters
Of
are
course.
everybody like winters because this is very beautiful season. Which is your favorite country apart from India?
America. I like
Ama-
America
I
because
think.
my daughter lives in America.
Oh, very nice. Okay, so do you think that America is better than India?
Not at all because I love India.
You're right. Have you ever gone to USA?
I have been 3-4 times there.
Very nice. So how's the weather over there?
Weather was sometime like you in winter it is can't bearable,
Okay.
but in summer it is very good,
Ah,
very pleasant. June.
I
June
heard
is the
about that.
best time to go there.
Okay, very nice. Which
Yeah.
is the most famous festival in USA?
December, 25th December
25th of
and
December.
October, 31st October.
Okay. Okay. Sarojji, I think you live in Gujarat.
I live in Kolkata,
Okay, you live in Kolkata.
of course.
Okay. Kolkata is the capital of Bengal. Am I right?
Of course.
Okay, okay. Which is the famous dish in Calcutta?
Rasagolla.
Rasagolla. Rasagolla is rasgulla.
Rasagolla is a favorite sweets from West Bengal.
Okay, so it is also called rasgulla, and you call it rasagolla. Is it same?
Because in Bengali say Rasagolla. That's
Okay.
why I said
So can
Rasagolla.
you speak Bengali?
Little bit.
Little bit. Do you love to listen to songs?
Which
Any song, any Bengali or Hindi? Do you
I
love to
like
listen?
song, but my voice is not good.
Okay, no, don't
I
worry. I'm
love
not
it.
going to say you to sing here, but I was just asking that if you love songs. Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Asha Bhosle
Okay, I think she's the
and
sister
Lata
of Lata
Mangeshkar.
Mangeshkar.
Yes.
You said yes.
Lata 2 times.
Okay, no worries. But actually, I was about to end the game and I said, you won this. क्या बात है, आज तो दोनों ने कमाल कर दिया. You guys are amazing. I mean, दोनों ने इतना बढ़िया बोला. That was fantastic. Very nice. Sarojji,
Thank
it
you,
was
sir.
great. And Amna, you are also fantastic. So now, guys, we are going. यहाँ तो दोनों ही जीत गए. Anas has something to say. Yeah, Anas, please proceed.
No, actually, sir, it was raised by mistakenly. I don't want to say.
Okay, no worries. By the way, I'll also take your feedback about the both participants. The next one. अब नेक्स्ट वाले में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये सेशन खत्म करते हैं. अगला सेशन अब जो है मेरा, इस सेशन में मैं आपसे हिंदी में जल्दी जल्दी सेंटेंसेस पूछने वाला हूं. एंड यू गाइस हैव टू ट्रांसलेट सेंटेंसेस इमीडिएटली. आपको सोचना नहीं है, जितनी जल्दी मेरी आवाज जाएगी यू हैव टू आंसर. सो मैं फिर से शुरुआत आमना से ही करूंगा. Please unmute your mic and be with me here. Hi, Amna. Welcome back. Are you excited for the
Okay.
next one?
Yes, of course.
Great. मैं कुछ sentences पूछता हूँ आमना आपसे. Don't worry, बहुत easy भी होंगे, कुछ hard भी होंगे. आपको immediate translate करना है, ठीक है? तो इसमें हम grammar check करते हैं कि दोनों में से grammar किसकी अच्छी है. So start करते हैं. मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I'm going.
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I'm coming.
मैं आ सकता हूँ.
I can come.
क्या तुम आ सकते हो?
Can you come?
तुम नहीं आ सकते हो?
Can't you come?
Okay, मैंने देखा.
I saw.
क्या तुमने देखा?
Did you saw? Did you
नहीं.
see?
हाँ, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा.
I won't go.
क्या तुम जाओगे?
Will you go?
वह सो रहा होगा.
He might be sleeping.
Very nice. He will be sleeping or he might be sleeping. Next one. वह जा चुका होगा.
He might have gone.
Okay. He might have gone or he will have gone. क्या तुम आ रहे हो?
Are you coming?
मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
I'm about to go.
क्या तुम जाने वाले थे?
were you about to go?
Oh wow, very nice, great. Okay, some more. अब कुछ पैसिव वॉइस में, ठीक, घर बन रहा है.
The house is being built.
Oh wow, great. ठीक है. कहानी लिखी जा रही है.
The story is being written.
उसे बुलाया गया.
He was called.
क्या बात है. तुम्हें नहीं बुलाया गया.
You were not called.
इंडिया में हिंदी बोली जाती है.
Hindi is spoken in India.
क्या इंडिया में इंग्लिश बोली जाती है?
Is English spoken in India?
तुम्हें नहीं बताया गया.
You were not told.
तुम्हें नहीं बताया जाएगा.
You will not be told.
Fantastic, great, no words, very nice. And the 100 out of 100 का स्कोर करते हुए, Sarojji, do you want to say something about this girl?
Yes, she's super duper.
She's actually fantastic, you know. Amazing.
Yes, yeah.
Very
She
nice.
spoke very well.
बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, Sarojji, the same thing I would love to do with you. The rules आपको पता ही हैं. So I'm going to speak the sentences in Hindi and you have to translate immediate into English. So the first one
Yes,
is
sir.
here. क्या तुमने खबर सुनी?
Did you heard this news?
Very. यहाँ पे verb की कौन सी फॉर्म लगाई आपने मुझे एक बार बताइए.
First form.
वाह,
Because
very.
did you?
हाँ, did आ गया. बहुत ही बढ़िया, क्लियर है सब. ठीक है, मैं जानता हूँ.
I know.
तुम जानते हो.
You know.
वह जानती है.
She knows.
वह खेलता है.
He plays.
क्या वह खेलता है?
Does he play?
वह नहीं खेलता है.
He does not play.
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I am coming.
वह सो रहा होगा.
He will be sleeping.
क्या सचिन खेल रहा होगा?
Will Sachin be playing?
सचिन नहीं खेल रहा होगा.
Sachin will not be playing.
क्या सचिन आ रहा होगा?
Is Sachin coming?
तुम जा सकते आ रहा होगा. Will Sachin be coming? तो तुम जा सकते थे.
You could have gone.
बहुत बढ़िया. Have, you could go, you could have gone. ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं जाया करती थी.
I used to go there.
क्या बात है. तुमने पानी नहीं पिया.
You didn't have water.
मेरे लिए ग्लास पानी लेकर आओ.
Please get a glass of water for me.
बहुत बढ़िया. क्या तुम बाइक चलाते हो?
Do you ride a bike?
मेरे पास लाइसेंस नहीं है.
I don't have license.
अरे वाह सरोजी, वेरी नाइस, वेरी फैंटास्टिक, रियली अप्रिशिएबल, ऑसम. सो बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है, सो राउंड 2 भी दोनों ने जीत लिया. इट इज अमेजिंग. आई वाज एक्चुअली थिंकिंग कि यहाँ पर तो मामला अलग रहने वाला है. जो बच्ची है शायद वो टक्कर ना दे पाए, बट उसने बड़ा अच्छा प्ले किया. और सरोजी, यू आर एवरग्रीन. मैं आपको काफी टाइम से जानता हूँ एंड आई नो योर इंग्लिश इज अमेजिंग. आप बहुत अच्छा बोलती हैं. यू हैव अ गुड कमांड ओवर ग्रामर एंड स्पीकिंग. सो बाय द वे, अब वो लास्ट सेशन आ गया है जिसका हमें इंतजार था. सो यहाँ पर हमारे पास 10 मिनट का एक टाइम होगा. सो गाइज, कुछ रूल्स हैं, उस रूल को ध्यान रखेंगे सभी लोग. So we are going to have a debate and the debate is about online education versus offline education. So यहाँ पे I forgot, Amna और सरोजी को मैंने शायद दिया था online. Okay.
Yes.
Great. So Anas, यहाँ पर आप offline को follow करते हुए. So let's start the debate now, guys. The topic is online education versus offline education. We have 3 people here. So Saroji and Amna are going to support online education, and here we have expert of English, Anas, who is very good speaker. He is going to support offline education. So who is the opener? Of course, the small one. Amna, you are the opener. So please express your views about online education. फिर start करते हैं हम debate को आपसे. 3, 2, 1, please. Amna.
I like online education because like we can learn many things in it. We can like do something like if we are not available at one place, we can see something from one place to another, and that's really great. I really like that. If we are not able to, we are in like anywhere we are, even if we are out, we can basically see from any platform. So that's why I support online education.
Yeah, Amna, actually you have highlighted so many benefits of online education, but actually I am totally disagree with you. because education is not totally possible by online methods. We need to have offline institutions and offline universities and offline schools also. If online education is really good, so why there is existence of so many schools, universities right now? If you have any doubt and you want to clear your doubt, you don't there are so many villages in India where there is not electricity connectivity, there is no internet connectivity, and the people are literate who are just starting their education. They don't have proper knowledge that how to use devices. And in particular, if I talk about India, that so many
Saroj
people
ji.
that they have
I don't think like that. Nobody can ignore that fact that the whole education, uh, whole education, an industry has been witnessing a significant amount of shifted online classes. Now we are living in an era of technology, and our where society has lot of many things like a computer, laptop, mobile, everything, so we can connect easily. Nowadays connection is very good everywhere. I can say in a village also, so you can't say it is not good. I think so.
No, Sarojji,
And
I was just trying to say that there are so many people who don't have proper knowledge that how to use devices. And secondly, I have highlighted that those are living under poverty and they want to see themselves educated and they used to join government education. But at the same time, the online education is very expensive, and so many institutions, so many companies are providing online education. But this education is very costly, and if you will see, there are so many government or organization who are providing education by their institutions. This education is not very expensive, and the people who are living under poverty, they can afford very easily. And by the offline education, there is you can build a kind of
No, no, no,
connectivity.
no, no, no. I don't think.
It
Online
is not
education is very cheap. Without spending a single penny, we can use online. If you go offline classes, then you have to pay a lot of money. But if you want to learn online, then nowadays I am also learning English without spend a single money. And I can say now I can speak in proper way. But if you want to go offline classes and you have to pay a lot of money, if I have no money, how can I learn? It is not possible to learn.
Okay.
So I can say
Amna is
online
also
is
here.
better than offline.
Good, Saroj ji.
Yeah.
Amna, your turn.
and now after that, like if we are suppose in other country, like something like USA or something, so we are not able to see, like we cannot see the person in offline education.
Yeah, but there are so many faults, there are so many demerits which I see in online education system. I like only offline education system, which is totally good. And yeah, actually, yeah, this is good that the technology is available, electricity available. But there are so many times when I used to take class during my masters, I faced so many issues, like sometimes voice is not clear, sometimes the teacher is struggling to connect with us. So if the teacher will be present in front of you, he is physically present in front of, he is physically present in front of you, so you can easily connect with him, you can easily ask your doubt from him, and you can easily build a kind of relationship with him, like a teacher and a
No, no,
student.
no. I am not agree. Nowadays internet is very powerful. It.
Not possible.
Okay. Yes,
Sorry.
Saroj ji. Saroj ji. Anas,
Sorry,
Saroj ji.
Yes,
it's
Yes.
not possible.
nowadays internet is very powerful. You can learn easily online. There is no any problem. Without any spending money, we can
No,
learn. And now we are taking online classes. There internet. Everyone's internet is working. Maybe you are rural area, maybe you are urban area. Where are you? But you can catch easily without any problem. But offline at night you can't go anywhere. But now we are 9 o'clock and we are talking to each other. We are learning. So it is very easy to connect each other. But offline it is not easy to go there.
Offline
well, I think
education.
Okay, Anas, I'll ask you one more question on behalf of Saroj ji, but let Amna complete her question. After that, I'll be back. Yes, Amna.
Online education, like we can learn anything, anywhere, anytime. In offline education, we just go somewhere to learn something and we come back. We don't revise it properly. When we see something, then we are like, making the solution in our mind so that we can make it more easier for our life.
Great. So, Amna and Saroji actually are both are talking about the value of time. Anas, how will you answer that? Of course, online education is time-saving thing. I mean, whenever we are going to coaching classes or schools, so we have to walk, we have to go there, we have to travel, and we have to spend the time. So these time actually we can save. So how will you answer these questions?
Can't deny. He can't deny.
So how will you answer?
Of you that there is two kind of education. One is only education, and secondly, which is quality education. You can get education by online method, but you can't get quality education. You can't get knowledgeable education by online method. If you want to get quality education, if you want to get proper knowledge, if you want to be great in your life, so you will have to use offline measures in your life. For example, you will have to do practical, and you need a science lab. So is it possible to do experiments? No, it is totally
Tarunji,
impossible.
very big question. Can you do
Some-
MBBS online? Please answer.
Available in the educational institutions only. It is
Some
totally
Tarunji,
that
impossible.
answer.
is,
Can you do
I
operations? Can
am
you learn
agree that is something is not we can't do offline, but maximum 80% we can do. So 10% we go there and we can learn, but 80% we can do online
That
classes.
that is the thing which I want to highlight. You are saying only 80%.
But
So what
it
about
is more valuable. It is more valuable doing
you will get
online classes without, if you have don't money, if you don't have time, maybe we are homemaker, we have don't time to go there. So we can
so
easily learn without spending time. Only now we need only 1 or 2 hours we can do because we are homemaker. We have to lot of work at home. It is
Okay.
not possible to go offline school
Wow.
and we do classes.
Fantastic. Amna,
you are talking about,
Amna,
I'm talking about 100.
okay. Anas was saying that we cannot get the quality education. Actually, he is saying that we cannot understand कि teacher क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं in online studies. Do you agree? Because you are a child, you are also taking
No,
like.
no, not at all.
Amna, how will you answer? Online समझ में आता है? Do you understand what teacher is talking about online? Amna, turn on your mic and please speak.
Online means like we can see something in a TV, mobile, or laptop, any electronic device. And
Okay.
offline means we can see someone in real life, face to face.
So, which type of classes do you like of your school? Offline classes or online classes?
I cannot choose in it. I like both because like mostly I'm always at home, so I don't get to go anywhere. School
Okay.
is my only escape where I can meet my friends and also play and also study.
Very
But
nice.
sometimes
Saroji,
we can't understand, then we can watch recorded classes.
okay.
Because in offline class we can't record, but online class always record. So we can understand it very well. If we don't understand, then we can watch again and again, and we can learn in proper way.
Saroji, you were talking about we can get 80% by the online methods, but here I am talking about 100%. Whenever a child want to study,
No, offline also not 100%. Offline also not 100% nowadays. We have to go. If you need classes, then you don't have time. How can you do? You have to do online classes because if you don't have time, how can you go? Because you have very less time.
Solution of education, but cannot be a proper solution of quality education. If any person who want to get quality education, who want to get knowledge,
say 100%? How can you say 100% offline class is doing? Because COVID-19, no one could not go to school because that time it is not possible to go to school and whatever. But online is going on. They didn't disturb anymore, and they took classes.
As far as the strength of schools is concerned, that if I talk about schools in Delhi, there are existence of 60 to 65 students. So I think it is not easy to manage 60 to 65 students in online methods.
I have seen many students, they did proper way because they, 2-3 years they didn't go to school. How can they pass? Because many children say this is really very good because they got lot of time to study. Because they didn't traveling.
Let me take the conclusion now.